everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and today we are going to dwell into curling our hair. Irrespective of what the nature of your hair is, mine is sort of curly but it dies away as this is 2 days post washing my hair, and it's normally curly, but when I move my hands around it, it just becomes wavy. So today I'm going to show you how you can curl your hair using a straightener. So you don't have to go ahead and buy those expensive curly irons. You can just use your straightener to curl it. How easy, right? Let me show you how to do it. Step 1 is to comb your hair, which normally people with curly hair don't do. But if you want to straighten your hair or if you want to curl them, I would suggest you go ahead and comb it first and then go ahead with the process. Voila! Once you're done combing your hair, it should look like this, a mess. I've done a lot with my hair, it's very damaged. Soon I'm planning to chop these off. I'll be very sad for these to go, but it's time. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to just show you how you can curl your hair. The second thing that you have to do is use a heat protectant spray or a serum. My favorite ones are Schwarzkopf's and the Tony & Guy one. Both of these are really good with your hair. What I'm gonna do here is get a center parting. I'm just gonna keep these away. Alright, so we'll be working on this section first and we'll be doing these parts at the end. So the very important thing to be noted here is the chunk of hair that you take shouldn't be very thick. Just start with this much of hair. Once this is hot, what you have to do is just take a chunk of hair and then you just have to take your straightener, rotate it like this and move it very slowly. Especially at the ends. And once it's done, you just hold it for a second. This is visible, but that's how it's going to look like. I'm tucking this section away because we'll be coming back here later. Again, just taking a very small try. Rotate your iron almost 360 degrees and then just very slowly move down. How pretty! Just one more time. You take your curl, you take your straightener and you rotate it like this. Very slowly, you just keep going. So the slower I go, the more small the curl is gonna be. The faster I go, it'll be a much bigger curl. See how pretty. So the second way of doing it is when you take your straightener, so you go very slowly. If you want, you can just take one more rotation. Surprisingly better defined curl by this method. It just takes a little bit of practice to hold the straightener in this direction. Otherwise, it's not that tricky. I'm just going to show it to you one more time. You take your straightener this way. You hold your hair, you move your straightener. If you want, you can do another rotation like that. Just be very careful of not burning yourself. And you move very slowly, just like this. Much better. So I'm just gonna keep using either of these methods to quickly complete this section. Also, the smaller sections will ensure that the curl stays for a longer duration because you'll be spending more time on every strand of hair like this. Another very important tip is that your straightener has to be really hot. in order to curl your hair, you need to have it at either medium or high temperature. Only then your curls are gonna stay. So far we have these many. Hey, look at that. So I'm going to quickly complete this and then I'll meet you. Voila! All of these strands from this side are done. I'm not going to open these curls. I'm just going to let these stay as is. And we'll work on the other side. I have pinned up the front section on the back, just like so. We'll not be touching these, we'll be working on these later. Now when you come to the other side, it's going to be a little tricky for you to work, because if you're a left-handed person, it's going to be easier for the left side. If you're a right-handed person, it's going to be easier for the right side to be handled. Just comb your hair once again. So very similar to what we did on the other side, I'm just going to take a little section like so. Now one way of doing it is you just rotate it like so and move slowly. Right, so this is one approach. The other approach is take another strand, hold your iron like this and just move like this. This could be a little tricky. That is how it looks like. Style number 1, style number 2. Whichever you prefer. Just work with your hair like that. The only thing that you have to remember here is to rotate your straightener 360 degrees. Move it like this. And just like let me just show you one more time. Say this side is your front side, you take this, rotate and rotate again. So what this really does is, you rotate your hair like that. So it's basically around your straightener. So even though the strand comes out of the straightener, it is still in contact with the hot surface. Look at that beauty. Adjust your hair, rotate your straightener. So the outside strand that is coating the straightener is basically the chunk of your hair that has already come out of the straightener and is still in contact with the hot surface. And this ensures that the hair is in contact with the straightener for a longer duration, and hence it's going to hold the shape for a little longer. Let me just finish it up like that. There. So I'm going to quickly do these and I'll see you then. I finished up this side also. So again, we're not going to touch these. We'll just leave it as is. First, let's finish the top section for this. So what I'll be doing here is just take a little section. I'm going to take this section and I'm just going to pull it away. And I'm going to curl it away from my face. Curl it away from your face like that. This is done. Taking the other sections, similar to the previous one, you just take and again you just curl it away. And that's it. If you're done. These are the sections that I did on the front. Alright, so once you're done with all of this, let me just show you how it looks. So what I want you to do is, if you want, you can leave your hair like this, but for a more natural and fine look, what I would suggest you to do is just move your fingers like this, sort of open up these curls. And this gives you a much more natural looking curl. Let me just show you. And we're done. So I naturally part my hair on the right side, and the reason why we took it on the left side to curl it is just so that we could get a little bit of volume here. Now if you are a believer of setting spray, now is the time you need to apply it so that this stays for a much longer time. I have been very lucky, touch wood, in the matter of hair, because my hair really holds any sort of setting that is done on it. Be it straightening, be it curl, my hair just holds the shape, which is amazing. That's how you curl your hair, using a straightener. You don't have to go for an expensive curling iron. You can just use your straightener for the same purpose, and it works absolutely fine. So now I really hope this video was helpful. You can drop down any more questions for me in the comment section and I will definitely go through it. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such fun videos. Until then, take care and bye-bye. But the results from this style are insane. The only thing that you have to remember here is to rotate your straightener 130 degrees.